Hello everyone, so my name is Siddhant and I'm actually from Hong Kong, and I'm from the Open Source Remote Education Initiative. It's an organization that tries to take these little tablet computers and make sure it's out there for you guys to learn from. So I'm going to start off today by just introducing our tablet computers and how to use them. So there are a few elements. The first is this is a wall charger. Which is of course used to charge both the tablet computer and the extra battery pack, which is here. You also have a USB cable, and really simple to use. You just plug it into the back of this charger, right? And the other end either over here into the tablet or into our solar battery pack in case you want to charge it quicker, right? The next thing I'm going to show you is the solar battery pack. So it's got a little button here. You open it up and it's got a solar charger, right? So this is 10,000 milliamp hours, which basically means you get 2 charges of this entire tablet computer system if this thing is fully charged. And you just need to put it up in the sun. The bars here will show you how charged it is. So if it's 4 bars, it's fully charged. And in order to use this charger and actually charge the tablets, you just plug in the USB here and the other end into the tablet, and you should see it light up. So we can just do that, and you can see it lights up immediately as it's getting charged. So that's a little about the basic hardware. Now talking about the tablets themselves. So these are about 8 GB, they have Wi-Fi, they have 4G, and they run on Android, right? So you can download apps on them, you can do whatever you want, right? And this is what the home page looks like. So there's Dropbox here. And whenever we upload new content, every now and then we keep uploading new content for you guys to learn from. All you need to do is click on the Dropbox app, choose the new content. Just click on this, click on this corner button and say export and save to device. And choose a folder, right? Save. And that's it. The file will keep downloading in the background, and eventually you will have the file on the tablet. Now when you actually want to view the pictures, videos and other content, you can go to gallery by just clicking on that, and as you can see there's a story already running here. So there's a lot of stories and a lot of other content on these tablets, and you can go through them and read them and learn from them, right? And every time you want to put in more, just go over to the Dropbox and download whatever else you want. You can also use this is the ALS app, and it's quite cool. So you go here and you choose a lesson and just open using Drive, and see, takes a while. There. There's some nice lessons for you to study from. A lot of pictures, right? So if you ever need to go back, just press this button here and you can go back. And if you want to check your email, so there's an email app here, and you can just open that up and all your email has already loaded. So you can see, so currently there are 4 emails on this. And if you ever want to send an email to somebody, press the plus button, type in their email address. So I'm just going to send myself something quickly. That's my ID. So that's my email ID, and I send myself a message. Let's say hi, right, to be simple. From then I just click the send button, and that's it. You've sent an email, right? So that's an idea of the basic functionality of the app. If you ever do want to put more apps, you can just go over to the Google Play Store or to the Baidu App Store, depending on what you like, and download more apps as and when you like it. So if you ever want to connect the tablet to a TV and you want to see everything that's on this on a big television so that the whole class can see what's happening, you can just put in an HDMI cable, a USB to HDMI cable in here, and you can then connect this tablet onto a nice big television so that the whole class can see what you're seeing and the whole class can learn from what you're learning. So that's super simple, and you can take photographs using the camera. And you can send these photographs to us, you can send these to Doc Anton, and you can show us what you're learning, and you can show us your class and do all of that. And if you even want, you can even video call on this. So there's Skype, and you just click that and you can actually video call somebody else's Skype ID as well. So hopefully you guys will learn from this and have a lot of fun.